Hello everybody, here I'll tell you how to convert scanned images and photos into PDF using your computer or laptop. So for this you will just open the Microsoft Word in your computer, and then I am going to tell you how you can convert the PDF images or documents, scanned images or documents into PDF. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it so you might not miss any video related to IT technology uploaded by me. So just I have put here some pictures, some scanned images. So I am going to copy these images. First I copy it and then paste it into Microsoft Word. Then go to next page, just press enter button and go to next page, and bring your other documents, copy the other documents. You can copy all the documents at the same time as well, but what will happen that pictures might not get well adjusted, so you can copy one by one as well. Go to third page and copy some other scanned images or documents that you want to convert into PDF. So I have copied 3 images here. So I have 3 images. If you want to adjust the images on computer screen, you can just click on the image, right click and wrap text, and press the in front of the text button. It will not go anywhere, it will be easily adjusted. So you can increase the margins of the image and adjust it according to your own will. You can crop it as well. Double click on it and then on the right corner press the crop button and crop it according to your requirement, and then you can reduce or increase its size and position. So after that, after adjusting all the images, all the scanned documents or photos, you can do what you can. I am going to tell you. After that, just adjust its size. You can also go to page settings and adjust the page according to your documents or requirement. Page layout, and then press the size, and if you press legal, then the size of the page will increase up to 14 inches, and mostly we use A4 pages for printing purpose, so you can use the A4 page as well. So we have 3 pages of Microsoft Word that we are going to convert into PDF. Then go to Files menu and then press Save As button, and select the directory where you want to save. I want to save it to E drive, and here in the Save As type you will go to PDF. Save as type PDF and give the file name. PDF converted is the file name. Then press the save button and then go to your E drive. So here it is saved into PDF, convert it. Open the program, double click on it and the program will open. Then you can see your PDF converted document file. It is 50% view. You can increase the view or decrease the view by clicking on the view menu. So it is converted into PDF, you can see it. So this was all about converting the images and photos into PDF using the Microsoft Word in computer. So I hope you have liked my video and understood it very well. So please, before going to close, please subscribe my channel so you might not miss any video related to computer and technology. Thank you, and I'll see you in